The stage is made for Billy Bowden. It has been.
And Peterson taking control of it, and Billy goes wide. Oh, have a look at Billy. Oh, that got the crowd going.
There's the appeal. Deonarine has a look around. Still no Billy, still no Billy. Billy goes for a wander. Deonarine ambles through for a single. He comes back into position, does Billy, and up goes the finger. The crooked finger.
So that's how they differentiate between them.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, well, that's a real sight. That's a knockdown.
Quite able to keep it along the ground, Yunus, and that's a very, very fine catch. Very fine catch. He was pretty nonchalant about it, and now he's asking. And Billy Bowden saying, hang on a minute, I'm just going up to the third umpire. And Raina in the back.
Down. Oh, it's got him. He's down. He's not happy either. And they're going over to look after him. Billy is being counted out by the crowd. Must have hit it pretty well. It went whistling in his direction, and he wasn't happy, was he?
Well, Steve Buckmore went over there signalling dead ball. I'll tell you who isn't going to be happy, that's the batsman. He'll be really annoyed.
Still on, in fact, so if the light improves, we think that the play can be called again. Pakistan.